This is a sensation. If you thought you didn't like broccoli, try this Broccomole. It is absolutely fantastic. Put some cilantro and a quartered onion in your food processor and then add a chili pepper, whatever chili pepper you like. Just add one or two. Garlic, because I love garlic and I don't want to cook without it ever, because I love it. And a quarter tomato, just a small one, medium one, doesn't matter the size. And yeah, blitz the whole thing together. Meanwhile, put some broccoli in your microwave for about 3 to 3.5 minutes, or boil it, whichever you prefer, but don't do it too much. Leave that chunky texture. This is our concoction with the onion and the stuff. Okay, now put the same amount of avocado that you use broccomole. So I want broccoli. A dash of lemon, I'm salivating, I love this thing, and some salt. And yeah, I do too. One of those is half a teaspoon, so it's just a teaspoon that I'm adding in there. Blitz the whole thing to death. Add your tomato, onion, and chili paste. But also one thing, if you see that there's an awful lot of liquid coming out of the tomato, drain it. Don't use it. And then blitz it again. Put the texture as you wish. You know, you can make it smoother or chunkier. It's entirely up to you. And once you have the beauty,